I've spent years on this channel telling you that you can do Odoo yourself. 300 something videos, and I meant every one of them. You can do this yourself, but the real question is, should you? Think of it like this. Implementing Odoo is kind of like climbing a mountain, and not a little afternoon hike mountain, a mountain like Everest, and not necessarily without all the left behind garbage and the frozen dead bodies. And yeah, you can climb it. I've made a video for most of the problems you could encounter. The trail exists, people climb it solo all the time, but the danger was never whether you're strong enough to make the climb. The danger is something else entirely, and it's the reason most people shouldn't start this climb alone. Let's talk about what actually goes wrong up there. First, there's daylight. You only have so much. Your daylight is your time. I tell all of my customers, we all have our day jobs. Every hour you spend on trying to figure out Odoo is an hour you're not spending on the business that's paying for the ERP in the first place. That's the real cost. Not the software, your time. The second problem is the route. So many people pick the wrong one on day one. They turn on the wrong apps, they custom build something that should have been a 5-minute configuration, they build their chart of accounts around how they thought Odoo works instead of how it actually works. And by the time they realize it, they're already halfway up the wrong face of the mountain, already burned out, already over budget, and climbing back down to fix it costs way more than it would have cost to just start with the right route. That's the difference between can and should. Can you climb it alone? Sure. Should you climb it on your own? Only if you know you have enough time to put towards the climb, and definitely not without some sort of map. So let me show you the ways that I'm ready to help you have a successful climb. The question is, how much of the climb do you want help with? There are 3 ways to work with me, and that's really the only thing separating those 3 options. The first option is just the map. You go through my planning tool, and it finds out all the information that I need for us to get started. Then you and I sit down for 2 hours and go over the rest of your business that the planning tool doesn't quite cover. That's so we can make sure your map covers everything you'll need. Once that's done, I'll go over everything and put together a map specifically tailored to your needs. If you and your team have enough capacity, this should be a great option for you. And this is a brand new offering, something I realized I should have been giving to you guys all along. So, the first 5 of you to sign up can get this for $750 instead of the usual $1,000 I'll be charging for this. The second option is that you hire me as your guide. Same map, but now I'm on the trail beside you. You still do the climbing and carry the gear, but I keep you en route. I keep you motivated and help you avoid any pitfalls that pop up along the way. This is a great middle ground between the map and my next option for you, the Sherpa. So the Sherpa is basically me handling the full project. I bring the right team, we carry the load, and we get you to the summit. This is for the people who've decided their time is better spent running the business than learning how to climb the mountain. Yes, you can still carry your own pack if you want, and that's a great way to save some money if you'd like to. I don't mind managing your team as well as you while I'm doing most of the heavy lifting myself, but we spec out the entire project with the understanding that I am responsible for getting you to the top. And here's the part that matters. Every one of these starts with a map. Even a Sherpa climb begins with a plan. Nobody, not me, not anyone that's good should start moving until they know the route. Really, the difference between these options comes down to your capacity. And to be clear about what this isn't, I'm not going to pressure you. If you watch this and decide to keep climbing solo with the free stuff on this channel, that's totally fine. Really. That's why the channel exists, and it's not going anywhere. But if you realize that you need a map, that option is always there, and it's one I genuinely feel I should have been offering all along. So for years, I've told you that you can do Odoo yourself, and I still believe that. I'm not taking it back. I'm just adding one line to it. You shouldn't do it blindly, and be honest with yourself about your capacity. You may not want a Sherpa. You may not even want me walking the trail beside you. That's completely fine, but at least let me get you the map. First 5 are at $750, links in the description, And if you want more help than just the map, the link for that is there too. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the trail.